What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Alex for Alex Roberts Fishing. So today we're going to do something kind of cool that I have not done on the channel before. We're going to do a little bit of float fishing in a kayak. Obviously there are a lot of videos of this on the internet, so I don't know that mine's going to be very special, but Chris, or Wade Life on YouTube, has graciously let me borrow his kayak for the day, and you guys can probably see his car back there. We're going to go out with him to a special river here in Tennessee. Now, disclaimer, I am not a kayak fisherman. I'm not a float fisherman. I don't really know what I'm doing out there. And one of the species that we could potentially catch today, I have never actually seen in person. And obviously I've never caught one. So I'm no expert, and this might be a little bit of a learning experience for me. More than likely it will be. But I'm really excited. This is gonna be a cool new experience. So you guys come along, let's go float fish a little bit. I mean, the biggest bait I own is a Depths 250, and it was 150 bucks.
What's that one brand that's like over 1,000?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh my
Gosh, I got one.
You got one!
Dude. It ain't giant.
You got one! That is awesome.
I'm just sitting here talking.
I know, you just smashed it.
Dude. Oh my gosh, no way.
Dude. Awesome. Way to go, Alex.
Get out of that.
Awesome.
Golly. What?
Did you need a bath or a shower too?
I guess I did. Thanks, buddy. Dude, no freaking way. He ain't ready yet. He ain't ready yet.
Oh, he ain't done yet. He ain't done yet, bud.
Dude. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it.
Dude, that's awesome. You were just saying too, I wonder if something had smacked that when we first got here.
Come here, buddy. Got him in the net.
Yo, you think you do. This is over here.
Alright. I know, buddy. I know. I know, bro.
If I ever invite you up to fishing again. Kidding.
You what?
I said, see if I ever invite you musky fishing again.
You probably shouldn't. We're gonna get one without the bait.
Yep. Ready? Say cheese.
Hopefully I can get some of this release on video. But fish, I sure appreciate you.
You really gotta rehabilitate these guys.
Yeah. There he goes.
There he goes.
Thank you, fish.
That was awesome to see.
Oh, man.
That's cool to watch.
Wow. Oh,
And you got
thank you, Lord. Dude, that is so cool.
it. Way to go, bro.
Thanks for inviting me out, man.
No problem. Glad you came.
Just freaking nothing over there. I took a cast just like, whatever. Just talking. Oh my gosh.
Got one. What? Got one.
I didn't even believe myself.
You're like, this is a snag?
I mean, I literally was like pulling up on it and then it started to move. I'm like, uh-oh. All right, I'll be honest with you guys. That's pretty much where the action part of this video just kind of ends. If you target muskie or you know anything about the fish, you know that a one fish day is a pretty good accomplishment, especially here in Tennessee. So I want to take a quick second here and pass on something that I learned on this day of fishing, and that is to just do your research. Do your research better than I did. I had never targeted muskie before this day of fishing, so I had some general knowledge about how to handle them in general, but I didn't know the specifics and didn't know that you shouldn't use grips of really any kind. Didn't know that they become a lot more fragile in the higher water temperatures. Now, it's not quite terrible water temperature to be targeting them, so we're still good on that front, but I kept the fish out of the water for too long between trying to get it unhooked, get it out of the net, and taking pictures. So I was a little bit selfish in that, and I will definitely admit that. But I've now gone and watched some videos on muskie handling, which I'll put down in the comments, that some people on various social media platforms were kind enough to send me the links to, so I appreciate that. And basically what I wanted to say here is just, if you get to go target a new species and you get the opportunity to handle one, do it the right way, have the respect to do your research and do it the right way so that an angler in the future can do the same thing. Now, the last few minutes here are just gonna kind of be a little scenic montage of some of the rest of the float. If you stick around to the end, you'll see me and Chris kind of start to have to run from a rainstorm that was coming in, but luckily we escaped. So hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you could hit that subscribe button, that would mean a ton to me, and it's free to you. So thanks for watching. We could have gone right. What are you talking about? We could have gone right. Good. Well,
Well, we got to do most of it.
yeah. Are we booking it?
I think so.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
Put your core into it.